Before we get started on the video, I just wanted to let everybody that doesn't know we are doing a huge giveaway. We are giving away this Flashboard Adventure 5M, just like this one I have here on the table. It is a great printer. There is no purchase necessary to win this printer. All you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and you will be entered to win. The drawing is going to be on February 1st at 8 p.m. So if you are not subscribed, come subscribe and you could potentially win a brand new printer. Thinking about doing a 5M Pro like the ones I have here on the bottom as the next printer giveaway. We'll see. Also thinking about giving away some filaments, some 3D prints, tons of cool stuff. So come subscribe, get your name on the subscriber list, and we will be pulling random people for giveaways. All right, so I purchased the cheapest 3D printer I could find. Now, this is new. It's never been used before, but this printer came out in 2014. Now, I picked this up from a private party sale, brand new in the box, never used, for $20. Now, I did a lot of research before I bought it. It is a $20 printer, so I don't care about the quality. This thing sucks, okay? That's the gist of it, but I'm going to review it anyway and thought it was cool that I could get a printer for 20 bucks. The biggest downside to this printer is that you have to keep it plugged into your computer and keep the slicer up the whole time it prints. Now, something very tiny, something very tiny like this, which is going to go just in the center of the build plate right there. It's not huge at all. This is going to take me 3 hours and 5 minutes to print. We are going to take a time lapse of that so you guys can see that. But as you see, I mean, this thing is tiny. Now it's the Micro 3D, M3D regular printer, not the Plus. Just a small printer that came out in 2014. These things were retailing for like 300 plus in 2014, and I got it never used for 20 bucks, shipped to my door. Now, the interesting thing about these is the filament is actually under the build plate, so you have to take it all apart, put the filament roll in there, and then feed it up through here. But it's set up just like any other 3D printer. I mean, it has your elevation and your side by side. So we'll see how this thing works. We're going to print the rock duck and see what happens. All right, so I was taking a time lapse of it. It was just supposed to be there in the middle of the build plate. Somehow it has managed to throw itself off 3 times over. Now it's all the way in front of the build plate. So not sure what happened, but we are going to scrape it clean and attempt to do it again. Like I said, no idea why it happened. I mean, the slicer's still open. So this was our first attempt at printing that. Not sure what happened. The bottom looked like it started out actually pretty decent for this printer, but then it just spiraled out of control. I'm not sure why. We're gonna try something else. We might try a Banshee. We started printing the Banshee, but it did the same thing. Pushed it out from the center to the side. I mean, this was our first attempt, and it pushed it all the way from here out to here. So I'm not sure what's up with it. I'm going to take some time, try to figure it out. And then when I get it working, if I get it working, I will come back and make another video. Consensus right now, this thing is trash. But for $20, I mean, I'm not mad about it. Obviously, I knew it wasn't going to be good. It's a very outdated printer, especially if it can't even print the original print that everybody prints on their 3D printer. So I will make another video if I can get it working, and don't forget about the giveaway. Also, we ordered the cheapest printer from Temu, so we are going to try that one out and see if that's any better than this. Should be. You could have your own FlashForge Adventure 5M. All you have to do is subscribe. Brand new right there in the box. Don't forget about the giveaway. And thank you for watching.